Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use the JMeter assertions. Okay. This is the our main agenda. How to use JMeter assertions. First one is the response assertion. Mostly using response assertion only. Most of the web and cloud application projects, everything. Under duration, size, HTML, XML, and export. These are the basic assertions we'll use it in JMeter. For based on situation based, what are the things you need to use on that are the things you need to checking you need to verifying purpose. You need to use the under JMeter. What are the transactions and what are the elements will become under. You need to use the these assertions, but most of the times you need to use the response assertion only mainly use. Okay, I'm already prepared one script. I will show you how we need to use. Yeah, this is the sample flight application in WebDoor application. I created this script. Just one time I can show you. Expand all the things. Okay, these are the flow structure, the tree structure, everything. Okay, the test plan I prepared, and these are the thread group. I just mentioned only one thread groups only everything, and header manager, content type application or JSON, and cookies just clear cookies each iteration, and cache manager also I will provide the cache of total 5000 and clear cache each iteration. CSV data config file I will provide username and passwords only, there is nothing else. Remaining these are the remaining all the elements. Okay, flight application launch URL, login, and find flight, select the flight, payment details, invoice, and sign up. View result table, assertion results is the HTTP test script recorder I will provide it. These are the components is not required for what are the testing I will done today. This one also not required. I will expand. This is the only one only. I'm already set up to the all the assertions. Okay. Okay, just I executed. How will I will show you. Okay. Yeah, the reason for will this one will fail is a different reason. XML assertion purpose only will be failed. Okay. Remaining everything is pass only. This is not a fail, it's a pass only. The specific request is not in the XML format. Okay, first one, um, I will disable all the things, maybe you can understand. Okay, now everything is passed, there is no any errors. Means the flight application launch URL is the transaction and this is the request. Okay, this is the IP address and this is the welcome page. Okay, welcome page now. Under welcome page, I added example. I will go to view results tree, go to welcome page, the general results. Response code is 200. Okay, I will go to the response assistant. I will response code, select the content. You can match anything. Okay, will provide it to 200. The 200 is successfully matched. No? The request is passed, otherwise will be failed. Not only this one, there are so many elements. You can see main sample and subsample, and main sample, subsample, and JMeter variable names. It's a different story. After I will explain. And most of the time, text response you need to provide some text. We'll verify text only. Response code and response messages you need to response headers, and this one also request headers. Request data will provide the different one. You need to add and you need to provide. URL sampled and a document text you need to verify. And these are the very important things. Pattern matching rules. Contain match rule equals of string not or. Contain means you will match anything. any small piece of code will be matched also will success. Matched means exactly you need to match. Means there is any two text available, one text will match also will pass. Equal means exact you need, otherwise it's failed. Substring means you added response assertion. After you add any another assertion, that time that is a substring you need to select. Both you need to validate it. Not means you can select equal, not if something will be selected. You provided 200. Not means except 200 remaining anything will come pass. Or means you need to provide any secondary value. For example, 200 will provide and 201 will provide. Both anyone you can come, you will pass. That is the way will be work to the response session. Enable to the duration session. Duration means example you can go. This is the milliseconds only will provided. It's a sample time now. How many seconds the request will be executed? The same only. You can go to the duration session. I will provide the 5000 milliseconds, and you can go to the various table executed sample time everything under 0.3 or 0.9 only, means 1 second only will executed. But just I will show you example purpose only. I will provide at 5000, that is based on the situation will provided 2 seconds or 3 seconds only. Okay, below 5 seconds only, not more than. Okay, yeah, you need to provide this one based on you need to select main sample or subsample or only main sample or subsample. Duration you need to provide 5 milliseconds. Example 5000 milliseconds means 1000 seconds means 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. 5 seconds I will provide it. Below 5 seconds is passed. Above 5 seconds is will be failed. After size. Size means I will provide the size of the bytes is 10,000. Go to result T. In result table in bytes is you can see how much is there. Total 2000, around 3000 is there. But I will provided 10,000. That means I will selected the less than 10,000 below only will be passed. The full response. You can select response header or response body or response code response. Anything you need to select. Okay, based on situation you need to select, and you need to select these formats. But as per the company situation, all the formats will be used, but most of the time equal and greater than and less than only will use. Okay. After final one, HTML. HTML. I will select this is only verify to the specific this request HTML format only. It's not anything. There is a three types HTML, XHTML, and XML. Which format you need to verify? I selected HTML only. I selected only errors only. Anything errors will become, no? You will showing to the assertion results. There is no any errors now. It's a transactions and request only will provide. Any errors will become, you will showing. This is the XML assertion. The main problem is this is not a XML one. The request is not XML format. You don't have any data to XML. That reason only the first time I will start the testing, that one will be failed. The last one is the XPath. Okay, this is the XPath. XPath means any example you have anything idea about to the API testing or Selenium. You know now the specific anything, any button or any URL automatically need to executing purpose. Example any example Google application. Example Google is there. In Google there is a search button is there. You need to click on to the that search button, and you need to enter the something the text to the that specific URL bar, I mean search bar. That time the specific path you need to right click, go to the inspector source code, and you need to take the specific path, X path will be taken, and that based only the people will be doing to the automation. Same only in API testing also using same format only. And now you need to XPath assertion point of view. How you need to take this one, title, text, is called web tools. No? Example, this is the web tool application. Okay, this is the home page. Now I go to the request is welcome page. This is only home page. Okay, now you need to go to the view results tree. This is the welcome page. Okay, there is a HTML available and title available. I need to verify this one only. The main target is this one. Web tours. I need to verify. I can give directly to response suggestion also I need to use, but I need to check to the XPath level. Okay, I can use the XPath suggestion. I need to verify. Na? Web tours I need to verify. That situation you need to add to the specific request XPath suggestion and given to the title. How you need to give into the title and text practice equal to, single colons, web tools. Now web tools is the text. This is text related. Now you can provide the text, open and close the bracket, and title means the specific title only you need to, the web tools is the title, that reason you need to title will provide it, and we double black slashes is generally will given to the um, expression point of view. And you need to validate. Example, you need to, once you need to enter and you need to check now valid XPath session. Valid XPath session will be provided. This way you need to verify and you need to execute the test. That way only the test is successfully will executed. Okay. These are the basic assertions. Okay. There are so many assertions available, but these assertions are basic. Who are the newly starting from JMeter tool for learning point of view? This one will be useful, and the projects also most of the time this one only will use. Okay, this session may be this one useful for the who are the new people seeing to learning from JMeter. Thank you.